everyone, and welcome to my podcast. Today, we'll talk about how gender expectations have changed over the years. I'm here with my mother, and thank you for joining me today.
Thank you for having me. I'm glad to share my thoughts.
Question number one. When you were growing up, what were the usual expectations for boys and girls in your family or community?
Back then, boys were expected to be tough and hardworking. They were the ones who needed to earn money and support the family. Girls, on the other hand, were taught to be gentle, responsible, and focus on taking care of the home. It was very traditional. Men work outside and women stay inside.
So, the rules were quite strict before?
Yes, very much. It was rare to see women working or leading because people believed it wasn't a rule.
I have a question number two. Do you think gender roles have changed over time, and how?
Yes, a lot has changed. Nowadays, women can study work and even become leaders. Men also help more with house chores and childcare. People are starting to understand that both men and women are capable of doing the same things.
That's true. Society is becoming more equal now. And question number three. What are some stereotypes about men and women that you think are unfair or untrue?
One common stereotype is that men shouldn't cry, but that's not true because emotions don't make someone weak. And another is that women are too emotional to make good decisions, which is also unfair. I believe both men and women have strengths that make them unique and capable.
I completely agree. Those stereotypes stop people from being who they really are. And thank you so much for sharing your experiences and opinions. It's nice to learn how gender roles have changed and how equality continues to grow. And thank you to everyone who tuned into my podcast. See you next time. That's all. Thank you.